Hi, I'm Kim Goyette, and I'm so glad you're joining me here for yoga today. I am in beautiful Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, and I am on vacation and thought that I would bring this amazing vacation relaxation vibe to you. So this class is all about relaxation. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So we're going to start in a comfortable seat. You can sit cross-legged, maybe your hands are on your lap, and we're going to close the eyes and just gently bring the breath into the body through the nose. Inhaling deeply. If it feels comfortable, exhale through the nose. And let's do that again. Inhale through the nose. And exhale. Good. Allowing the breath to come through the nose turns on the parasympathetic nervous system, which allows our body to relax in the rest and digest state. So just a few more long breaths, noticing the lengthening of the inhale and the exhale. One more breath here. And exhale. Good. Gently open the eyes. We're going to roll the shoulders back. Oftentimes when we're holding on to tension, it's in our shoulders, that sense of overwhelm right here. So let's just move the shoulders back and down the body. Good. Relax the shoulders all the way down. Tuck your chin, and we're going to warm up the cervical spine. Again, maybe some tensions being held in the neck. Just taking your chin in circles in one direction. And then the other direction. And coming back to center. Let's bring the fingertips off to the side. Inhale through the nose, arms sweep up. Exhale, feel all the energy pushing down with the palms. Good, do that nice and slow. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, palms face down. Good, again, inhale. And exhale, let's take the left hand and bring it over to the right knee and reach back behind. Look over the back shoulder and just wringing out any tension in the body within this gentle twist. Good. Look over the front shoulder, opening up the neck a little bit. And then slowly unwind. We'll take the right hand to the left knee, reach back behind, and twisting to the left this time. Look over the back shoulder. Keep everything the same and just look over the front shoulder. And slowly unwind. Let's take a nice inhale through the nose. Big exhale through the mouth. Let it all go. Let's try it again. Inhale through the nose. Big exhale through the mouth. Let's come to hands and knees. And we'll spread the fingertips out nice and wide. Bring the toes to touch. Knees are wide. Sit back towards your heels into child's pose. Forehead resting on the floor. Allow your forehead to connect with the earth. Elbows are soft all the way to the ground. And just let your chest fall in between your knees. Take a big breath into the back body. Exhale, soften. Inhale here. Exhale. Good. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Feeling very grounded and supported by the earth. We'll bring us up to hands and knees and come all the way to the belly. Lay flat on your belly. Stack your hands underneath your forehead and let your head fall in alignment with your heart. So if you're feeling a little bit stressed or anxious, this is a great way to calm your nervous system, laying on the belly and aligning your head with your heart. And just take a few breaths into the back body. Exhale, soften. And we'll do it again. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Roll over to one side and we're going to get into a fetal position. So the knees tuck into the chest. You can rest your head on your hands. Just close the eyes for a moment and just let your body soften to the earth, feeling very secure and supported, just like a baby. And just allowing yourself to drift off into pure relaxation. And as the rain starts to come down near me, hopefully this helps you to settle in to a peaceful state within your body and your mind. And we'll push all the way up to seated. And we'll finish with a little bit of breath work. Bringing your hands to heart center, closing the eyes. Again, we're going to bring our breath in through the nose and out through the nose. Really slowing the breath down from your seat all the way through the crown of the head. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Just a couple more breaths like that. Really expanding and slowing things down. One last breath here. And exhale. Take a moment to bow the mind to the heart and thank yourself for showing up, for nurturing and giving yourself exactly what you need today. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm Kim Goyette, your Meditation Mutha. If you like this video and you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. And if you like to learn about yoga retreats happening all around the world, please visit my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.